In this tutorial, we'll learn how to change default aggregations for dataset measures in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Aggregations group and summarize data. Oracle Analytics identifies default aggregations, like sums, for numeric data that can be aggregated. I can change these default aggregations to other common aggregation types, like count, average, and count distinct, depending on the type of analysis I want to do. I'll start in the Data Prep user interface. I'll scroll to find the Quantity Ordered column. Currently, the default aggregation is set to sum. I want to determine the average quantity ordered per product and how much a customer typically orders at once, so I'll change the aggregation to average to better fit my analysis. I'll save my changes and select Create Workbook. Once the workbook opens, I'll hover over the quantity ordered measure to see a description that confirms the aggregation is set to average. To find out the average quantity ordered per product, I'll multi-select the quantity ordered measure and the product category attribute, right-click and select Pick Visualization and then Table. The table shows the average quantity ordered by product category. To see the quantity ordered averages for each individual product, I'll just drag product name to replace product category. Now the table shows the average quantity ordered for each product. Find additional tips and resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.